morning, children. This is Jyoti, and I am here to teach you SST on behalf of Jayatri Academy. Class 4, Chapter 3. Children, yesterday we finished the Chapter 2, the Great Himalayas, and today we will start the Chapter 3, the Great Northern Plains. Let's start. The northern plains are located towards the south of the Himalayas. Children, the northern plains. Northern means in the direction of north. Plains are located means situated towards the south of the Himalayas. Children, the northern plains are situated towards the south of the Himalayas. These plains are 2,400 km long and 150 to 300 km wide. Children, the northern plains are 2,400 km long and the wide of northern plain are 150 to 300 km. This region covers the major part of the northern India. Children, this region means area. This area covers the major part. Major means most of the part of northern India. Children, this area covers the most of the northern part of India. Okay? It is large flat area which extend from Punjab in the west to Assam in the east. Children, it is a large flat area which extend means exceed. Okay, it is a large flat area which extend from Punjab in the west to Assam in the east, means in the direction of west it starts from Punjab and in the direction of east it ends in the Assam. Okay, it includes the state of Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, parts of Uttarakhand, Bihar, West Bengal and Assam. Children, here we are talking about northern plains. And northern plains includes the states of Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and parts of Uttarakhand, Bihar, West Bengal and Assam. The soil of the land in northern plains is very fertile. Children, fertile means very useful, very good for crops. Okay, very useful for crops. The soil of the land in the northern plains. Children, the soil of the northern plain is very fertile, means best for the crops, to grow the crops. Okay, the soil of the lands in the northern plains is very fertile. In the picture you are seeing the northern plains, the area of the northern plains. Children, it is indicated by the yellow color. Okay, these are the northern plains. Children, the area of northern plains includes the states Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, part of Uttarakhand, Bihar, West Bengal and Assam. Okay, in the picture you are seeing in the northern plain river Ganga and river Yamuna. This is river Ganga and this is river Yamuna you are seeing. It also flow in the northern plains. And children, you are seeing in the east, this is river Brahmaputra. In the east, river Brahmaputra flow in the northern plain. Children, the state Assam is in the direction of east, and river Brahmaputra also flow in the direction of east. Okay, so this is the location in the map of India. This is the location of northern plains in the map of India. Okay, this is all about today, and next paragraph we will read tomorrow. Children, yesterday we finished the chapter to the Great Himalayas, and this is the last question related to activity. Collect information about famous Indian and world mountaineer who went on the Mount Everest first. Children, who went to the Mount Everest first, you have to collect the persons. You have to collect the information about the famous Indian and world mountaineer who went to the Mount Everest first. Okay, this is your homework. Children, this is the activity homework. You have to do it, and you have to also revise the chapter 3, the Great Northern Plain. Okay, this is your homework, and next paragraph we will read tomorrow. Thank you.